Hi guys, today I'm doing super sand art. There are 10 design bottles, but I'm only going to do a few. So, let's open it up. There we go. We've got a lot of bottles. Look at this one's small. I'm going to try to hurry because I don't want to waste all of your times. But I've got a lot. This one is going to be really hard to see. It's a heart. I have, it looks like glitter and a rope. Instructions, obviously. I don't know what that is. I don't know why that's there. This looks like it's a little mixer for like to put it in and mix the colors around. And jeez, this is heavy. It's a lot of colors. So I'm gonna do this heart one. So I'm gonna put it in the front. This flower one. I'm just gonna take off the ones I'm not doing.
Let me just start with one or two.
Okay.
Show them how to do it.
I'm gonna start off with the heart. So I'm gonna read the instructions because I need to do that. Okay. Find a suitable working area. Okay, I've done that. With adult supervision, cut off one of the corners of the bags of colored sand, and this will create a spout to pour the sand. Thank you. I think I'm gonna do this pink. Why is this so heavy? How many bags are there? There's another bag in here. I should probably open this up.
Just cut the corner of the bag so you can pour it easily. And you're going to need a funnel from the other bag with the glitter in it.
Okay. Now I'll move this. Now there's two funnels in here. So that's exciting. Got the funnel. Put it in.
Halfway with one color and then switch colors, or you can do lots of colors.
Okay. Okay, so I've got my thing. I hate this. It's falling down. Just pour a little bit of a color at a time into the sand bottle. And you can do as many colorful sand things as you want. Be creative with your color selection. Fill the sand bottle with layers of colorful sand until a desired design is complete. So I'm just going to do pink for this one because I think I would like it just pink. So
Hold the heart with your other hand.
okay. Back in. Okay, I think that's enough. Then put the cap back on. And then I think I know what the string is for. There's like a little hole in the cap. It's sort of hard to see. But you can stick it, you can stick the stick through. So that's an easy way for you to know there's a hole. And I think that's what the string is for, so that you can like wear it as a necklace or a bracelet or whatever. And then this is just to stir it in. But I'm only doing pink, so I don't really need to do that. Now I'm gonna do this butterfly, and I'm gonna do more than one color. So I'm doing the exact same thing, except I'm gonna grab all the colors I want this time. And there's still so many bags. Be very careful with scissors. Now I'm going to do blue. I'm just going to keep going pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. Luckily I have a pan under this, I just spilled some. Some in the air. Wow, that was fast. They're standing everywhere. I don't know if it looks the same on the other side, but for me, it's like cool stripes, like whoop, whoop. Hold on. Yes, the same. I don't know why, but I feel like the colors are going to be like when red and blue mix together and stuff. I don't know why, I feel like it's just going to change color when I stir it. It's probably not, but...
You don't stir it, you just stick the stick straight down on the side. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's it. Now look, you see you made a design.
Oh. It's cool.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up soon.
So now that I've done that, I have a butterfly one and a heart one now. This heart one's just pink, and this one is pink and blue with cool designs. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. And I think it was really good. And later I might put it in these strings, or I might put them in now. Anyway, bye.